All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we're working on Joel's GMC Sierra EV. So this is a 2025 model. Now, it is similar to the other GMC Sierras, except one of the main features is it's kind of like back in the day when you had the avalanches where the seats fold down and the back wall's removable so that you can feed lumber, whatever, from the bed into the back seat. Well, that poses a problem for the enclosure because in a normal Sierra, it's flat, there's this big space under the seat, and you're able to build this straight box, and it's awesome. Well, on this one, the floor, we'll show you the floor in a minute, has these crazy plastic compartments. It has an infinite baffle sub that's in the floor. The seats fold down into it, and it's just not a great solution. So we're gonna build a box, but it has to be really wild, and wanted to show you how crazy that is. So what we did is, this is the frame, and then we paneled it off in essence with this thin wood in order to create the shape, right? So this goes around all the hardware. This is the two braces for the 60-40 split in the seat. This is the factory amplifier, actually lives back here. This is behind the driver. And then there's a flat spot. There's some other bracing here. There's just a lot going on. So what we do is we build this in the car and basically frame it all up, and then we remove it, and now Honda's gonna glass it. We try not to glass in the vehicle. Fiberglass has it smells, and the smell can linger for a while. Now, we can do it if we have to, but then we have to, basically it looks like surgery. We have to put plastic over the whole car and create this like pocket so that we can get to where we're doing to try to keep the smell out. And we put fans to kind of evacuate the smell, but it's a brand new car, so I prefer to do it this way. So Honda's gonna glass this all up. As you can see, we got all the framework done. He's cut all the glass to shape, and now he's going to resin the entire enclosure, which will stiffen this up. This is basically just a shell in order to support the actual resin. The resin is what's gonna give it the strength. Now, the other nice thing, because it has all this weird shape will actually act as bracing. It'll act like almost like an I-beam or like a girder. Like it acts like a brace for the enclosure. Plus, we'll also be bracing the enclosure once we put the subs in and all that good stuff. But just wanted to show you how involved it is to get a subwoofer enclosure in this brand new EV. All right, so normally there's a plastic tub that hides all this, as well as there's a horrible infinite baffle 8. So a lot of the manufacturers are starting to do that. Basically, see that hole? That hole leads to the outside. So what it's doing is the subwoofer, in order to save space, they're using the car as a sub technically. It is not a great solution. It does not work well, especially the tiny sub and the tiny amount of power that they're running. So and then this is the factory amp. Now, normally this on all the other GMCs and Silverados, this amp actually lives up front. So they did change some of the electronics and move it around. But as you can see how complicated this floor is. So here's the amp, here's a junction box, main harness, there's a little flat spot, that's that giant brace I was telling you, another flat spot, and then another piece over there. So the enclosure has to drop in here, and all this stuff still has to live here, and the seat has to close. So the seat closes, right? And then normally this folds down, this window comes out, and then this whole thing folds down. So we still have to try and keep all that functionality and get two woofers in here. So it's gonna be no small feat, but we have a plan for it. We already got, that's like the majority of the structure. So that's gonna make a big difference. Once we get that fiberglass part, the rest is basically just like some framing and some beauty work. And we'll show you that once we get there.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.